Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am here at Preserve at Santan, and we will be touring Toll Brothers, and the home that we will be touring is the Lawrence modern floor plan. Okay, you're looking at about a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a total of 2,212 square feet, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, Kamusta Kababayans. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you're brand new to my channel, I go around all of the greater Phoenix area and I tour brand new construction communities and I showcase their model homes as well as their move-in ready homes. So guys, do me a favor, if you're in the market to buy a brand new construction home, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in Arizona. And if you're looking to buy, I've already helped numerous buyers purchase here in Arizona, and I would love to be a part of your journey, guys. Okay, so again, we are in Preserve at Santan. Preserve at Santan, we are in Santan Valley, okay? What's really nice about this community, you're literally right on the border between Santan Valley and also Queen Creek. So you're not so far into Santan, you are right at the border, so you get all of the Queen Creek vibes, and close to all the shopping and entertainment over there, okay? So here at the Preserve at Santan, we are touring Toll Brothers. Toll Brothers has a total of 3 different collections. So the collection we will be touring today is called the Papago Collection. The Papago Collection, you have 5 different floor plans in this collection. You have a total of 3 2-story homes and also 2 single-story homes. Okay, so today, as you can see behind me, we are going to be touring the Lawrence model floor plan. It is this beautiful 2-story home right behind me. This is a move-in ready home, guys, so everything has already been predetermined, obviously, and the final sales price has the lot premiums and also all the upgrades included, and that is for $524,990. So that is really awesome. Okay, guys, so stick around to the end of this video. We'll be talking about the HOA. What does that include? We'll talk about the area. What are you close by, entertainment-wise, restaurant-wise, grocery shop-wise as well. Where is Santan Valley? We'll talk about lot premiums if you're going to choose and build from the lot up. We'll be talking about build-out times and all these other information. Okay, so stick around to the end of the video for that. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the Lawrence Modern. Okay, so here is the Lawrence Modern. Love this look. So this one is move-in ready. This is home site 627. Okay, they will have another one, home site 684, that will be completed in November of this year. Okay, it's going to be a little bit higher than this. Nonetheless, it's going to be the exact same exterior elevation, so it is also a Lawrence Modern. Okay, so going up the driveway, you have a nice front patio area, so really nice. You can put some seating there. Love this exterior finish. Brings a little more character to the home. You have a nice digital keypad there. All right. Okay, so right when you walk in, we're in the foyer area. Right off to the right hand side, you have this nice den area. Looks like they do have also kind of like a closet space, a really large closet space, so that's awesome. So this could be your office. This could be maybe just a workout room. You could put additional seating here, or later down the road, you could possibly just close this off, right, and make this into a downstairs bedroom, because it does have a closet. So a lot of possibilities there. So going down, continuing down the foyer area off to the right hand side, just around the corner, you do have a half bath. Okay, like a cloak closet here. You have the stairs leading up to the upstairs. Love the steel railing here. And here is your main living space and also your kitchen. So they went with a black cabinet look, white quartz countertop, really large island too. So man, if you guys love to cook, this is a great kitchen for you guys. This does have an overhang, so you could put additional bar stools here. You could probably put at least like 5 or 6 of them realistically. Okay, and then your dining table would probably just go like right here. They do have like a light fixture already there, or just, you know, primed for a light fixture. So you could definitely put something nice there over your dining table. Okay, and then your large main living space. So that's really awesome. They went with like a lighter LVP flooring. So LVP flooring, guys, you know, it's really easy to maintain. You know, it's scratch resistant, it's water resistant. You know, there's no grout, so, you know, you could easily mop it. You don't have to get grout clean or anything like that. So really nice LVP flooring. I love the color. Okay. So again, this is a move-in ready home. So you do have all of your screens. So that's just another expense that you don't have to take care of. Okay. You have your thermostats, smart thermostats there. So that's really awesome. And this is one of those nice sliding doors that all opens up all the way. And it looks like it's an in-pocket sliding door. So let's check it out. Oh, that is sweet. Look at that. So nice indoor, outdoor living space. You could have this completely opened up, guys. That is really awesome. Here is your you know, back patio area. Okay, and it is nicely covered and it has lights. This is a pretty large lot. I believe it's a total of 6,000 square foot lot here. Okay, now you are backed up into Hunt Highway. So Hunt Highway, it could get fairly busy during certain times of the day. Nonetheless, inside you definitely won't hear any of those car noises, but you do have an amazing view of Santan Valley. So guys, you know, you put some privacy up, kind of eliminate some of that noise there. But this is a great sized backyard. You could even extend this patio if you really wanted to, you know, but you could do a lot of things back here. Garden, put a pool, a nice gazebo, but really awesome space here in the backyard with a beautiful view. Okay, so really, really cool feature with that in-pocket sliding door. But this is the downstairs. So let's go ahead and go around the corner here. Okay, so you have additional room here to, you know, you could put, you know, your drinks here, your wine here, you know, your ice maker, you know, has an outlet there. This could be like a little bar area or like a little command center, put your mail here or whatever. Then you have your pantry here. Smaller pantry, to be honest with you, but a lot of cabinet space so you can, you know, stow a lot of your foods somewhere else. Okay, so here is the garage. Good sized 2-car garage. Okay, soft water loop. You have a MyQ garage door opener, so you can open up your garage anywhere. All right, you have a hot water tank right here. But yeah, good sized garage. All right, so let's go take a look upstairs. Okay, so upstairs, right at the top of the stairs, looks like your primary bedroom is right at the top of the stairs, and then all your other rooms are just on the other side. So here's the primary bedroom, really large primary bedroom. Love all the windows. I have no lights on, so you can see all the natural lighting. Okay. Views of Santan. Nice barnyard style door. Entertainment system, go right here on this wall. But this is a large primary bedroom, guys. Okay. Here is the primary bathroom. Nice stand-up shower there. Double vanity sinks. Okay, toilet area. And here is the closet. Very nice. Okay, so we're gonna go check out the other rooms. Again, this is a total of 3 bedrooms, okay? So you have 1 bedroom over here. Good sized bedrooms, okay? And you have like a little small walk-in closet. Here is a full bath, double vanity sinks again, toilet area. Here is the other bedroom. This one does not have a walk-in closet, but nonetheless, still good space. The rooms are about the same size too. And here is your laundry room. So you have some space there on the counter space with utility sink there, cabinets, really nice. You have shelving there on top of your washer and dryer unit, but really good size laundry room. Okay. So that is the upstairs. So pretty straightforward plan. Again, over here, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath and your laundry. And on the other side, right at the top of the stairs, you have your primary bedroom. Love the steel railings as well. So going back downstairs, just to give you another point of view, really awesome. Oh yeah, so here you have KitchenAid stainless steel appliances. So this is a gas range, really awesome if you love to cook with gas. So you have a 5-burner gas stove. Okay, KitchenAid is a great appliance. So you have the range, you have microwave, and you also have a dishwasher with the farmhouse style sink. So that's really awesome. I love these, the black fixtures too, the black finishes that they chose. Really nice. What do you guys think about the black cabinets? Let me know in the comment section below what you think, or would you change those colors? So again, guys, that was the floor plan. Stick around. Let's go ahead and talk about the HOA and the other details. Okay, guys, so that was a home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's go ahead and talk about the HOA. So the HOA, you're looking at about $167 a month. $167 a month. There's sports courts in this community. They also have an amphitheater. So the HOA, they actually host events. You could also reserve it for, a movie night, for birthday parties, or just for an event that you want to host. There's tot lots and also walking trails. So that's what that $167 cover within that HOA, okay? Again, there is 5 different floor plans, okay? You have 3 2-story homes and also 2 single-story homes. I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen so you guys can see exactly, what are the plans again, and also the base prices. Now, this is the final sales out of phase 1. They're completing phase 1 of this community. They're going to start phase 2 here shortly, or they already started phase 2. The 5 floor plans, it's going to have the exact same 5 floor plans, okay? So that's really awesome. Now, the average lot size, you're looking at about 5,500 square feet. The larger lots are about 14,000 square feet. With that being said, the lot premiums, you're looking at about $5,000 in lot premiums, or if you get one of those bigger premium lots, you're looking at about $25,000, okay? So, where does that fit in? Well, if you are looking to purchase a home that, you're looking to build from the lot, so you have to take the consideration the lot premiums, right? You also take into consideration the base price, and then you also take into consideration the upgrade spent. So you put all 3 of those together, that will get you your final sales price, okay, guys? With that being said, if you're looking to build, you're looking at about a 7 to 8 month build out time. Okay, there are some quick move-ins available. So the quick move-ins are going to have the best incentives because they are trying to, go ahead and sell those inventory of what they have so they can continue building. Okay, so keep that in mind. So where exactly is Santan Valley? So Santan Valley, guys, Santan Valley is right in between Queen Creek and also Florence. This specific community, Preserve at Santan, you are really close to the border of Queen Creek. With that being said, Queen Creek, just, a few minutes away, you have what I like to call, the Four Corners, or it's called the Queen Creek Marketplace. There you have all your grocery shopping. Okay, you have Trader Joe's there, you have Sprouts there, you have entertainment there as well. Okay, so your theaters there, you have some shopping there, and you have amazing restaurants, guys, Raising Cane's, some sushi there. and all these other great restaurants. So that's where all the shopping is going to be. And also Costco is there as well. So very close to Costco in this community. You're also close to Fat Cat. So it's like this indoor bowling entertainment area. Right next to it is Pekin Lake. Pekin Lake is this huge outdoor, really cool area. You know, barbecue there is really good. They have this huge obstacle course area. They just are almost done completing the indoor go-kart racing. They also have mini golf there. So guys, Pekin Lake, you guys need to check that out, okay? So Santan Valley, really cool place. This community, some of the homes, you know, they do have views of Santan Mountain, just like this specific home here. So if you are interested in any of the homes here, the earnest money is 5% of the base price, okay? For lot premiums, if you're looking to build from the ground up, you're looking about 20% of the lot premiums. That is also due. And then also 20% of the options is also due when you choose your designs, okay? So clearly that is for homes that you are looking to build from the lot up, but that 5% of the earnest money base price is standard, all right? So as far as incentives go, Quick Moving Homes has the best incentives right now. You're looking at about $30,000 to $45,000 in incentives. You could put that towards, you know, the price. If you want to bring that price lower, you could put it towards your closing cost. You could put it towards rate buy down. So that is a lot of money that Toll Brothers are giving for quick and move-ins as incentives, okay? For homes that are being built for future, you're looking at about $12,500 that they will give for, you know, options. And also, they will also give $7,500 for your closing costs. So still really great incentives if you're looking to build from the lot up, okay, guys? So those are the incentives currently. Those can change, guys. If you are interested in any of these homes, or if you want to tour any of these homes, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm going to be touring more of their quick and moving homes and some of their model homes as well, so you can see what those look like. But with that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.